Ever wondered how to approach that girl you've been eyeing and land that coveted kiss? Well, today, we're diving into the world of dark psychology and manipulation techniques to help you make that move. Technique manure mirroring effect. Humans are naturally drawn to those who are similar to us. So use mirroring to subconsciously create a connection with the girl you like. Mimic her body language, tone of voice, and even her choice of words. This subtle technique will make her feel more comfortable and attracted to you. Remember, it's not about copying her every move, but rather subtly aligning your behavior with hers. This creates a sense of rapport and makes her feel understood. Technique 2. The touch barrier. Physical touch is a powerful way to establish intimacy and build attraction, but it's important to approach it subtly and respectfully. Start with casual touches like brushing her arm or hand while talking or laughing. These light touches will gradually break down her touch barrier and make her more receptive to a kiss. Remember, timing is key. Don't rush into a kiss. Let the conversation flow naturally and build tension before leaning in for the kiss. Gauge her reaction, and if she reciprocates, go for it.